Did you know that a global celebration for half of humanity began in just one small town? Today, you'll improve your English while discovering the powerful story of Women's History Month. Hello and welcome. This is an English story for intermediate learners. We will use slow and clear English to help you understand everything. Today's topic is Women's History Month. First, you will hear the complete story. Then, we will review the story with English and Spanish text together. After that, we will learn key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, we'll have some comprehension questions with a pause for you to think. Let's begin. The story of Women's History Month begins not in a big city, but in a small community. In 1978, in Sonoma County, California, a local group noticed a problem. The history taught in schools was missing something major, the contributions of women. They decided to do something about it. They organized a Women's History Week celebration, timed to coincide with International Women's Day on March 8. This grassroots movement was a huge success, with parades, presentations, and school events that brought the community together to honor local women's stories. The idea was so powerful that it quickly spread. Women's groups and historians across the country started their own celebrations. They formed a coalition to advocate for national recognition. Their hard work paid off. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter issued the first presidential proclamation declaring a National Women's History Week. He urged everyone to recognize the unsung heroines of American history. But the advocates wanted more. Finally, in 1987, after persistent lobbying, Congress passed a law designating the entire month of March as Women's History Month. The impact of this month has been profound. It has forced a re-examination of history, bringing the stories of countless women out of the shadows. Scientists, artists, leaders, and activists who were previously ignored are now celebrated in classrooms, museums, and media. This representation is crucial. It provides powerful role models for young girls and boys, showing them that greatness and innovation are not limited by gender. It helps everyone understand that history is a shared story, and we only get the full picture when all voices are included. Each year, Women's History Month has a special theme. Looking ahead, the theme for 2026 is particularly inspiring: Women Forging the Future. This theme focuses on women who are innovators, pioneers, and creators in fields like technology, science, and the arts. It's about celebrating those who are not just part of the future, but are actively building it. The word forging suggests strength, determination, and the creation of something new and strong. It encourages us to look for the women around us who are paving the way for a better, more equitable world. The story of Women's History Month begins not in a big city, but in a small community. In 1978, in Sonoma County, California, a local group noticed a problem. La historia del mes de la historia de la mujer no comienza en una gran ciudad, sino en una pequeña comunidad. En 1978, en el condado de Sonoma, California, un grupo local notó un problema. They organized a Women's History Week celebration. This grassroots movement was a huge success. Organizaron una celebración de la Semana de la Historia de la Mujer. Este movimiento de base fue un gran éxito. The idea was so powerful that it quickly spread. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter declared a National Women's History Week. La idea era tan poderosa que se extendió rápidamente. En 1980, el presidente Jimmy Carter declaró una Semana Nacional de la Historia de la Mujer. Finally, in 1987, Congress designated the entire month of March as Women's History Month. Finalmente, en 1987, el Congreso designó todo el mes de marzo como el mes de la historia de la mujer. The impact has been profound, bringing stories out of the shadows. This representation provides powerful role models for young people. El impacto ha sido profundo, sacando historias de las sombras. Esta representación proporciona modelos a seguir poderosos para los jóvenes. The theme for 2026 is Women Forging the Future. It celebrates women who are innovators, pioneers, and creators. El lema para 2026 es, Mujeres forjando el futuro. Celebra a las mujeres que son innovadoras, pioneras y creadoras. Great! Now let's learn some key vocabulary from the story. First, grassroots. A grassroots movement is one that starts from ordinary people in a local community, not from the main leaders or government. It grows from the ground up. Next, advocate. To advocate for something means to publicly support a particular cause or policy. The people who do this are called advocates. Then we have unsung. If a person or their achievement is unsung, it means they have not been celebrated or praised, even though they deserve to be. Like an unsung hero. Finally, forging. To forge something means to create something strong and successful, often with a lot of effort. It's like a blacksmith forging metal. Forging the future means creating the future. Now for our useful expression of the day, to pave the way for. This phrase means to create a situation that makes it possible or easier for something else to happen. For example, the grassroots movement paved the way for national recognition of Women's History Month. Excellent work. Now, let's check your understanding. I will ask a question, pause for a few seconds, and then give you the answer. Question 1. Where and when did the first Women's History Week celebration take place? The first celebration took place in Sonoma County, California, in 1978. Question 2. What is the official theme for Women's History Month in 2026? The theme for 2026 is, Women Forging the Future. Question 3. What does the expression, to pave the way for, mean? It means to create a situation that makes it easier for something else to happen later. Question. Where and when did the first celebration take place? A. In Sonoma County, California, in 1978. B. ¿Dónde y cuándo tuvo lugar la primera celebración? R. En el condado de Sonoma, California, en 1978. Question. What is the theme for 2026? A. Women Forging the Future. B. ¿Cuál es el lema para 2026? R. Mujeres forjando el futuro. You did an amazing job today. History is full of inspiring stories. If you enjoyed this lesson and want to keep improving your English, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And for your homework, tell me in the comments, which inspiring woman's story should we tell next? Thank you for learning with us.